Hello children. In previous lecture we have completed up to question number 4, first part. Now we are doing with question number 4, D part and E part. So in D part we have two equations, 2x plus y is equal to 6 and x minus 2y is equal to minus 2. As I have already conveyed you, if in the question nothing is mentioned about the number of points, then it is sufficient to take only 2 points and plot the line, plot the equation. So what is the table for this equation? Only 2 points, nothing is mentioned. So first we will take x is equal to 0. If x is equal to 0 in this equation, y will give 6, correct? And if y is equal to 0, then x will give 3. Why we are doing this? See, first step we will put x is equal to 0 to obtain y. Second step we will put y is equal to 0 to obtain x. What is the advantage? If x is equal to 0 for any point, if x coordinate is 0, it means point will be on y axis. And if y equal to 0, y coordinate is 0 for any point, it means the point is on x axis. So this is also one method. It means we will find one point on x axis and another point on y axis, and we will join both the points, then we can obtain the line. Understood the method? So that is why we have done in this way. Now for second equation also, again make the table. First put x is equal to 0, then y will come 1, correct? And if y is equal to 0, then x will come minus 2. Clear the points? Understood? The points are clear. Next we are going to plot. So first point is 0, 6 and 3, 0. Here 0, 1 and minus 2, 0. So these are the 2 points. So plot. So 0, 6, 3, 0. It means we can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this point is 0, 6 on y axis, correct? Next one is 3, 0. 3, 0 means on x axis. Now join both the points. So this will be first line, correct? Next one is 0, 1. 0, 1 means this point, 0, 1. Next is minus 2, 0. Minus 2, 0 means this point, correct? Now join both the points. So this will give second line. Clear? So this is the point of intersection. It means this will give the solution. This point will give the solution. This point will give the solution. Correct? So how to find the coordinates of the common point or point of intersection? We have to draw the perpendicular on both the axes. Correct? How to obtain the coordinates of any point? We have to draw the perpendiculars on both the axes. So when you will draw the perpendicular, this will give x value and this will give y value. That will be the solution of the given simultaneous linear equations. Understood? Clear? I am explaining the method. When you will plot on the graph, these two values will give the solution, x and y. Next. Now next is E part. First equation, x upon 2 plus y upon 3 is equal to 3. So draw the table. Two values are required, x and y. Now if x is 0, what will come? Y will be 9. Clear? We are obtaining the points on x and y axis. If y is 0, x will be 6. You can check. So x0, y9, y0, x will be 6. In this, draw the table. In this also. Now if x is 0, y will be plus 2. If y is 0, x will be minus 8. You can check. Correct? It means on x-axis maximum value plus 6 and on the negative x-axis maximum value minus 8. Correct? So we require the points minus 8 and plus 6. Okay. So So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So minus 8, correct? Now on y-axis 9, 0, 2, 0. So 9 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. More are required. 8, 9. So this is 9 and 2 and negative. Okay. So first point see here. Here is 0, 9 and 6, 0. So plot 0, 9 means this is the point 0, 9. Correct? This is 0, 9. Next is 6, 0. 6, 0 means this is the point 6, 0. Now join the points. This will give correct. So this is the first line. Clear? This is the first line. First line drawn. Now second one is 0, 2. See 0, 2. 0, 2 means 0, 2, 1, 2. So this is 0, 2. Next one is minus 8, 0. So this is minus 8, 0 and this is 0, 2. Correct? Now join the points. So this will be precisely so this is the second line. Again, this is the point of intersection. How to obtain the solution? This will give only the solution and the method is draw perpendicular on x-axis and perpendicular on y-axis. This will give x value and this will give y value. That will be the solution. Clear? I am not doing the exact value, only I am explaining the method. Correct? Maybe the lines are not straight, but I am explaining the method. When you will plot on the graph sheet, answer will come. Clear? So next we will be dealing with 5b part. Next is 5b part. First equation 4x plus 6y is equal to 9. See, if we will put y equal to 0, then we will be getting the fractional value. That is why it is better to obtain the value of y from the given equation. So what is y? Y will be 9 minus 4x upon 6. Now the table. See, if x is 0, what will come? If x is 0, this will give 3 by 2. Correct? If x is 0, 3 by 2 can be plotted, 1.5. Next value, if 1, no, minus 1, no, 2, 3, yes, we can take 3. If x is 3, so this will give 9 minus 12 minus 3 upon 6 minus 1 upon 2. Or we can take minus 3 then, no, 4, 5, minus 4. So it is better to take 3. So 3 will be minus 1 by 2. Correct? We have got the two values. Similarly, for this also, what is y? 10 minus 5x upon 8. Clear? 10 minus 5x upon 8. So again this table, okay, if x is 0, can we find the value? No. If x is 1, we cannot find the value. If x is 1, can we find the value? No. If x is 2, yes, if x is 2, y will be 0. See, if x is 2, y will be 0. Minus 2, no. 3, minus 3, 4, minus 5, x is equal to y 0, y 0, then x will be 10 by 5. Okay, here see, if y equal to 0, then x will be 1 by 2. See, correct? If y is 0, here, if y is 0, x will be 10 by 5, that is 2. Already done. This already we have done. If x is 0, y will be 10 by 8, it means 5 by 4. 10 by 8, it means 5 by 4. 5 by 4 can be plotted. Yes, but take another values. Maybe x is equal to 1, 2, 3, whatever. So, if x is 2, we have got x3, no, 4, no, 5, 6, plus minus, plus 5, minus 5, plus 6, minus 6. So 5 also, 25, 10, 25, okay, 6, minus 6, or plus 6. Okay, if x is 6, see, if x is 6, what will come? 10 minus 30 upon 8, that is minus 20 upon 8, it means, so minus 5 by 2 will come. This will give relaxation. It means this can be plotted easily. Upon 2, no problem. Okay, so we have got the points. So finally I am going to write the points. Check it. If x is 0, 9 upon 6. If x is 3, okay, x is 2, 0, x is 6. Okay, so now we are going to plot these two equations. Okay, so one is, the table is anyone, no problem. First, second, no problem. Anyone. So here, this is 2, 0, 6 minus 5 by 2. Okay. So we will 2, 6 on x-axis, 3 y-axis, minus 5 by 2, 3 by 2. Okay. So this 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay, first point is C, 2, 0. 2, 0 means this point. This is for second equation, no problem. And this was first equation. Any value, order is not important. So 2, 0 means this point. Next is 6, minus 5 by 2. It means on x-axis we want 6. So 6 means 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct? 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait. On x-axis we want larger value. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now visible. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 0 already we have taken. Correct. Next is 6, minus 5 by 2. So 6 comma minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2 means minus 2.5. So minus 2.5 means this point. Correct? Between minus 2 and minus 3, minus 5 by 2 means minus 2.5. Correct? Now join these 2 points. This will give the line. Here, this is the second line we have plotted. Correct? Now first line 0 comma 3 by 2. 0 comma 3 by 2 means 3 by 2 means 1.5. 3 by 2 means 1.5. Maybe here it is 0 comma 1 by 2. And next is 3 comma minus 1 by 2. 3 comma minus 1 by 2 means this is 3. Minus 1 by 2 means between 0 and minus 1. Correct? Clear? So this will be passing through like this. I think maybe like this. Correct? So these are the two lines. So we have to find the point of intersection. So what is the point of intersection? I think 2 comma 0. What is the point of intersection? I think this will not be there. Wait, let me plot it again. So 3 comma minus 1 by 2, 3 comma minus 1 by 2. Okay, this point 3 comma minus 1 by 2, maybe here. And another point is 0 comma 3 by 2, already we have done. So this will give where? Wait, here. So this will give like in this way this will be plotted. Okay. So this is for the first line, this is for the second line. Okay. These two equations are very close to each other. So when you will plot on the graph, it will be clear. So point of intersection will be this. When you will plot, you will be getting the answer. Clear? So this is the solution. Next. So next is 5C part. First equation 3x minus 5y plus 1 equal to 0. So here we can find the value of y. Y will be 3x plus 1 upon 5. Correct? So what will be the table? Two values are required. Now if x is one, then no, 2. So if x is minus 2, correct? If x is minus 2, what will come? Minus 6 plus 1, it means minus 1 will come. Correct? And if x is 3, then 2 will come. Correct? If x is minus 2, minus 6 plus 1, minus 5, minus 1, x is 3, 2 will come. Correct? In this directly you can find the value. Now if x is 0, what will come? X 0 means y will be 3. Clear? And if y is 0, see, if y is 0, x will be 3 by 2. Correct? Or we can find another values also. See, if you don't want fractional value, y will be 2x plus 3. Correct? If x is 1, suppose I am taking, if x is 1, y will be 5. Correct? If x is 1, y will be 5. If x is 0, y will be 3. So we are having the tables. So now draw the tables here and plot the lines. So again I am drawing this table here. For second equation, so x is 0, y is 3, and next one is x is 1, y is 5. So we can plot easily. Where is it is? So 0, 3, 1, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Clear? So first point is 0, 3. 0, 3 means 1, 2, 3. So this will be 0, 3. Correct? Next one is 1, 5. 1, 5 means 1 and 5. It means this point. 1, 5. Correct? Second equation 1, 5. So join these 2 points. So this will be maybe here. Correct? Second line plotted. Next one is first line minus 2, minus 1. Minus 2, minus 1. It means this point, I think this will come. This is the point, I think. Minus 2 and minus 1. This. Next one is 3, 2. 3, 2 means this is 3. This is 2. It means this point. Correct? So this will be. So this is first line, and this was second line. So I think the common point, this is solution will be x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to minus 1. This will be the solution. Clear? Next. So next is the last question of the exercise, question number 6. 6 and 7 both are same. See, two equalities are there. Y equal to x minus 1 upon 4 equal to 2x minus 1 upon 4. Okay. So from this one equation we have to obtain two equations. See, take first and second. This will give y is equal to x minus 1 upon 4, and take first and third. This will give y is equal to 2x minus 1 upon 4. Clear? Now in this, see, for this, if x is 0, what will give? If x is 0, see, this table. Now if x is 0, y will be minus 1 upon 4. X 0, y will be minus 1 upon 4, correct? And if x is 1, then y will be 0. Correct? Next, for this also, if you will take x 0, again y will be minus 1 upon 4. Correct? If x is 0, y will be 1 upon 4. Now, if x is 1 upon 4, then substitute. If x is 1 upon 4, then y will be also 1 upon 4. See, if x is 1 upon 4, then y will be also 1 upon 4. So we have got the points. We will write 1 as 4 upon 4. Clear? So tables are here. Here first table, second table here I am drawing, so that we can plot easily. So 0, minus 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4, comma 1 upon 4. Clear? So here the plotting. So I will take 4 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on both axes. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be 4 by 4, 1 by 4. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be minus 1 by 4. And in x we don't want this, but in y we want minus 1 upon 4. So this is also minus 1 upon 4. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4. So first value is 0 comma minus 1 by 4. So this is 0 comma minus 1 by 4. Next is 1 by 4 comma 1 by 4. It means this is 1 by 4 comma 1 by 4. See, 1 by 4 comma 1 by 4, and this is 0 comma minus 1 by 4. This will be on y axis. Correct? So join the points. So this will be what? Second line, no problem. Clear? This plotted. In first line, that is this equation, already 0 comma minus 1 by 4. It means this is 0 comma minus 1 by 4. Another point is 1 comma 0. 1 comma 0 means this is 1 comma 0. 4 by 4 means 1 comma 0. It means join the points. This will be correct. This is the plotting. Correct orientation is this. Clear? So this is the correct plotting. So already we are having what? What is the common point? 0 comma minus 1 by 4. It means solution will be, solution is what? Solution is x is 0 and y is minus 1 by 4. This is the solution. This part is the solution part. Correct? So this is the graphical solution. Correct? How to plot the equation? If you will plot correctly on the graph, both the lines will intersect at one point, that is the solution. And how to obtain the coordinates? From the point of intersection, draw perpendiculars on both axes. Sometimes in the table only you will find the common values, that is the solution. Correct? So this is your chapter plotting. Thank you.